Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am HS Raj and you are watching Code Freaks. In this video, I am going to solve the IPA 15 mark question which was asked in the previous year IPA exam. So let's begin with it. So in this video, we are going to solve a new question that find the average of the numbers according to the limit. So by saying about this question, it is very simple. So it can be run through any number of programs. So let me move into the explanation. So in the input, let me take the input first, and in the input I want to buy a particular limit of the array from the user. Okay, so this is my array limit. So the limit is 5. So then after that we want to buy the array from the user. So the arrays are 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, then after buying the array we want to buy the limit 1, first limit from the user, and then the second limit from the user. So this limit 1 means the starting position and the limit 2 means the ending position. Okay, so let me explain about it. So consider this array 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this array, the 2 means the second position. So second position, this is 0 1 and 2. Okay, so the 3 will be taken at first. Okay, because this is in the second position, and 3 will be taken. Okay, 0 1 2. Okay, then the ending position is 6. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here this 5 is the ending position. So I the ending position. Okay, so I will be calculating the sum. Okay, firstly I will be calculating the sum calculation. 3 plus 4 plus 5. So I want to calculate the sum of these three numbers. So when I calculate the sum of these three numbers, 3 plus 4 7 and 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So I will be getting the value as 12. Okay, so then after that I will be calculating the array. For calculating the array, we know that sum of the numbers divided by its count. So we will be having the count of 3, 4 and 5. We will be having the count of 3. So this 12 divided by 3. So what is 12 divided by 3? It is 4. Okay, so that 4 is this 4. Okay, so we want to calculate the average of the numbers according to the limit. So we will be getting the 4 as the final output. So we will be calculating this 4 as our output. So let's move into the coding section. So how will be the coding part will be? So let's move into the coding section. So guys, finally we are entering into the coding section. So in this coding section I will be using Java as my programming language, and I am using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. So let me move into the coding section. So for that I will be creating a new class. So for that I will be creating a new class called limit.java. I created a new file name called limit.java, and I created a new class called limit, and I will be initializing a main method, and I will be initializing a scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner of system.in semicolon. Okay, then I will be importing this scanner class. Okay, so then I will be buying the array limit. For that I will be putting int n equal to sc.nextInt. Okay, so then I will be buying the arrays. So firstly I will be initializing the array int a equal to new int of n. Okay, so then I will be putting for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and then I will be buying the array input. So a of I equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so then I will be buying the limit, first limit int limit 1 equals sc dot next int, and then int limit 2 equals sc dot next int. So then I will be putting a for loop. So now we are going to start the coding. So this is very simple. It's a simple logic. So then we'll be starting with for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Inside that, if a of I, array of I is greater than limit 1 and a of I is less than limit 2, if the condition is satisfied, then it is sum. Firstly I want to initialize the sum variable. So int sum equal to 0, and then count, int count equal to 0. Okay, so
if this condition is satisfied, then sum equal to sum plus sum equal to sum plus a of I, then count plus plus. Okay, so we calculated it. So let me explain it once again, what is the coding. So 1 minute. Okay. So then firstly let me explain it, what is the coding all about. So firstly we are buying a array limit from the user, and then we are initializing an array, and we bought the array in variables array numbers as the input, and then then we are going to buying an input from the user as limit 1, and then we are buying limit 2 from the user, and then for the let me say with an example. So firstly we are buying the array limit. Our array limit is 5. Okay, then we are buying the values 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 which okay, so these are our array values, and then firstly we are finding we are going to put array limit as 2, array limit 1 as 2, and then second limit as 6. So finally we are moving into this part, and then for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of 0 is 1. 1 is greater than 2. We are checking it. 1 is not greater than 2, so it break the condition, and then it will be incrementing and moving to I equal to 1. I equal to 1, a of 1 is 2. 2 greater than 2? No. 2 is not greater than 2, and then it will be moving into the next for loop. It will be incrementing, and then I value will be becoming 3. So then it will be coming inside, and then I value will be becoming 2. I value will be becoming 2, and then it will be coming inside, and then a of 2 is 3. So 3 is greater than 2, whether it is checking. So 3 is greater than 2, condition is true. So then it will be coming inside, and then it is an AND statement, no? So we want to find through two statements. So if the two statement is correct only, if the two conditions are correct only, it will be coming inside. So a of 2 is less than limit 2, 3 is less than 6. So if the condition is satisfied. Okay, a of 2 is 3, 3 is less than 6. So the condition is satisfied, and a of 2 is 3, 3 is greater than 2, the condition is satisfied. Then it will be coming into sum. So the sum value will be becoming 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Okay, so the sum value will be becoming 3. Now how 0 plus 3 equal to sum value is 0, sum equal to 0. So sum value will be becoming 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So it will be 3. Okay, then it will be count 1. It will have count 1. Okay, then it will be coming into the for loop. For in the I will be incrementing, and then I will be becoming as 3. So let me check where is 3. 0 1 2 3. 3 is 4. So then it will be coming inside. A of 3 is 4. 4 greater than 2, condition is true, and 4 less than 6, condition is true. So then it will be coming inside, and then sum equal to 3. Okay, it will be adding 4. 3 plus 4 7. Okay, then count value will be becoming 2, and then it will be going that into for loop, and then I will be incremented. I will become earlier it becomes 0 1 2 3 4. I will become 4, and then a of 4 is 5. Okay, so 5, it is checking whether this 5 is greater than 2, so condition is true, and 5 is less than 6, condition is true, and then it will be coming inside, and then sum value is 7, and 7 will be added with 5, so we will be getting as 12. So okay, so the sum value will be the count value will become 3. Okay, so then after that, after its execution, we will be finding the average. For that I will be putting int average equal to sum divided by count. Okay, so I will be then printing the count sum value, average. Okay, so guys, this is our coding. So this coding is very, very simple. So I think that you all understood the coding and as well as the task that I have given. So guys, let's move into the output section. So I think that the output will coming. So let's move into the output section. So guys, finally we are entering into the output section. So in this output section I will be showing the output of my given code. So for that I will be entering the input first. So I think that I will be getting the output. So firstly I will be entering the input first. So first my input is the limit. So I will be entering my array limit as 5. So as shown in the disk, my array limit is 5. So I am going to enter the value of 5 length 5 arrays. So for that I am firstly putting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are my array elements of 5 length. Okay. So then I am going to put the limit 1 and 2. So my limit 1 is 2 and my limit 2 is 6. Okay, so then I am going to calculate the output. So I'll be getting the output as 4. So let me check it what my output is here. I'll be getting the value as 4. Okay, so this is my final output. So guys, we got a final output. So guys, I am keep on saying that do practice daily and daily. So practice more, work hard and deserve more. Okay, so see you in the next section with a new video, guys. So for that I will be winding up this section. So see you in the new next video with the next code. So tata, bye bye, see you.